Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Fahmida Channa, lecturer Zoology. Dear students, today I am going to deliver a lecture about nucleus of cell. Now let's start today's lecture. Nucleus. Nucleus discovered by Robert Brown. That is a part of cell that control all activity of cell. Nucleus is also known as brain of cell. Why it's known as brain of cell? Because like brain, it control all the activity of body, and hence nucleus control all the activity of cell or control the activity of cell, hence known as brain of cell. It is present in a eukaryotic cells, is present in prokaryotic cells, but they haven't nuclear membrane, therefore they are absent in prokaryotic cells. It contains four main parts: nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, chromosomes. Now let's move to understand through the help of figure what is nucleus. Nucleus is a round, spherical or oval shaped body. They are present inside the cell. It consists of four main parts. The first part, that is known as what? Nuclear membrane. They are showing here. That is known as also nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane. Second part, that is known as nucleolus. These are the dot like structure, they are present, that is nucleolus. This one is a nucleoplasm, jelly like material inside the nucleus, that is known as nucleoplasm. And the thread like structures showing only during cell division, that is known as chromosomes. And the nucleopores are present in the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope in the nucleus. They are showing in the figure of nucleus. Now let's move to understand the parts of nucleus. The first part, nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is also known as nuclear envelope, is outer covering of nucleus that separate it from cytoplasm. It have a lot of nuclear pores. Nuclear membrane is absent in a prokaryotic cells. Let's start the other part of nucleus, that is a nucleoplasm, that is also known as karyolymph. Why that nucleoplasm is known as karyolymph? Because karyo means nucleus, lymph means plasm or jelly like fluid, white fluid. Nucleoplasm is also comprised of two words. Nucleo means nucleus, plasm means fluid, jelly like fluid. The nucleoplasm is a protein rich fluid filled part of nucleus. In the nucleoplasm, the numerous strands in the form of network, that network is known as chromatid network or nuclear reticulum. Nuclear reticulum is composed of DNA and a histone protein. The third part of the nucleus, that is a nucleolus, that is a small nucleus like body present in the nucleus, that is a dot spherical body, dot like structure, that is temporary. That is a very important point, that is the temporary, and they are only visible during the cell division with the nucleus that can synthesize ribosomes and ribosomal RNA. It means the ribosomes are originated from which part of the cell? That is a very important question. The from nucleolus, that is the answer of that question. The fourth part of nucleus, that is the chromosomes. Word chromosomes is comprised of two words. Chromo means colored, soma means body. They are not a colored body, but these are the thread like structures or filamentous bodies present inside the nucleus, only visible during cell division. They have a types of chromosomes are the four on the basis of position of centromer. What is centromer? The position, the point where the two chromatids are joined, that is known as centromer. These are the chromatids. What is chromatids? Arms of chromosomes, that is known as chromatids. The point where the arms or the chromatids are joined together, that point is known as centromer. And on the basis of position of centromer, the chromosomes are divided into four categories that are showing in this figure also: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric chromosomes. What is different between these four? Now define it. Metacentric chromosomes are those which have equal chromatids or equal arms. They are V-shaped, resemble V-shape, and that is known as metacentric chromosomes. Submetacentric, they are L-shape or J-shape, in which unequal arms or chromatids are present. that is known as submetacentric. Acrocentric, the type of chromosomes in which one arm is very large, other one is a very short as compared to the first one, that is known as acrocentric chromosomes. Fourth one are those in which on the top or end of the chromosomes chromatids present centromere, that is known as telocentric. Telo means in, centro means centromeres. Therefore, these are those chromosomes type which are showing in this figure. I hope you understand today's lecture about nucleus and its parts very well.